This plant right here is a Rhaphidophora Tetrasperma, which is known as the mini monstera, and it has been thriving in our living room. We had it on our console table for a while, and I even staked it when it started getting too long, but it eventually outgrew the stakes and now it's just looking way too unruly. This plant is like a little wild child. It's just got hair going everywhere, and I finally decided to do something about it. The vines are much in need of more support, and I thought that it would fit perfectly if this plant climbed up this corner by our hallway. So today I'm going to be sharing how I got this plant to climb this corner, and this DIY also works for any ivy plants that can climb. So I searched up some ideas and found these clips on Amazon. These are big enough to clip onto the thickest stems of your mini monstera, and I love that it's green because it helps to blend in with the plant. These also come with adhesives that you stick onto the back of the clips, and then on the other side you peel it off before sticking it onto the wall. Our plant has 3 main stems, and I wanted them to look as unified as possible without looking too tangled, and I also wanted to make sure that each leaf is showing and having its own moment without overlapping too much on top of each other. So I clipped the longest stem first, and I wanted that against the corner. It helps to clip the stems at the points right before it branches out so that the split branches can help to hold the plant up. Fun little plant fact, did you know that the mini monstera is actually not a monstera at all? However, they are part of the same family. Mini monsteras are also great for space saving because they grow vertically. And if you don't want yours to climb a wall like ours, you can also have it climb a pole. I can see some new leaves coming in, so I gave each main stem about 3 inches of room apart from each other so that there's still good enough space for the new leaves, but it's still close enough where they look like a unified plant. As I went up and added the clips, I also had to keep repositioning the stem because it is pretty stubborn to make sure that the leaves were sticking away from the wall. And it's hard to get this perfect because there's obviously leaves going in all directions, but you should be able to get them generally sticking outwards. I'm loving how this looks. Apparently indoor mini monsteras stop at about 6 to 8 feet tall, but I'm really hoping that ours could grow a little longer than that so that we could have it arch a little over the hallway. I think that would look so pretty. If you made it this far, give me your favorite plant emoji down below and let me know what you think about this easy plant climbing method. I'll link the clips that I used down for you in the description box. I'll also link some other clips if you want to see your options. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it so that I can know what kind of videos to make more of, and if you'd like to see more home decor and lifestyle videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button. As always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one.